Welcome to DIY Guide. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to repair a broken children's microspike set. I was just hiking with my wife and son, and the microspike broke. My son was walking, and this section actually caught onto his shoes and tripped him. So what this is a connector that goes in front of the microspike where your toes go. And it connects the front to stabilize where the spikes are set. So it's very simple. If you have needle nose pliers, that's all you're gonna need. You can see that there is an open-ended bend right here that I'm just gonna open up a little bit more. So now that that piece of metal is open, I'm gonna grab the front connection and I'm just gonna seat it through. And then pinch it up. That would be, there we go. Now notice on the manufactured side, there's an opening that's just small enough to prevent the piece from going through the gap. I'm gonna pinch that shut more like I did on this side, right there, just to prevent this issue from happening in the near future. All right, and there you have it. The toe connection piece on this microspike is reset, and now you're able to use these again. Sometimes other pieces that will break will commonly be these connections from the little spike to what connects it to the elastic rubber band right here. You can fix those. What you obviously cannot fix is if these rubber connections break, which do happen periodically. But these are only like $20 on Amazon, so I find that they last about a year. So you get what you pay for. I think that's a pretty good lifetime for something like this. All right, thanks for watching.